Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to share with you how to add the 200 SMA on cTrader. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open cTrader. Then go to this F icon here at the top. We have here find indicators. Click on it. Then type SMA. Now choose this one, simple moving average, because SMA stands for simple moving average. Okay. Now let's click on it. Go directly to periods and change it to 200. Now we have here lines. This one is for the color. You can change it if you want. So I will choose, for example, let's say white. Now we have here the type of the line and we have here the thickness of the line. So you can choose, for example, 5 and click on OK. Now this one is our 200 SMA. As you can see, we have here simple moving average, close 200. The color is white. Okay. In that set. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.